So if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how can you make $100 to $500 in profit per day with affiliate marketing using MaxWeb. Now in previous videos, I was talking about ClickBank, but in this video, I'm going to talk about another affiliate platform which is called MaxWeb. So MaxWeb, also like ClickBank, you can see over here, you have different categories and niches you can go into, but in this video I'm going to give you exact step-by-step 3-step method that I'm personally using to generate sales and results with affiliate marketing, of course using Google Ads. Now let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, I chose diabetes niche. Why diabetes? Because this is one of the pains and problems for huge amount of people all around the world, right? So people are struggling with health issues, for example, like diabetes, and they are looking for the solutions. So your job as an affiliate is to provide them with the high quality supplements or informations, ebooks on how to solve or better the life with diabetes in this case. So as you can see here, the payments are around $100 in commissions, which is really amazing and great. Why? Because imagine this. If your goal as a newbie is to make $100 per day, this may be, to some of you watching this video, if you're watching this video, maybe it's not a lot of money. That's only $3,000 per month. But that's also $36,000 extra per year, right? That could go toward your vacation, car payments, rental, right? Anything that you can imagine. So that's just the beginning. If you're more serious, you can go to a $500 or $1,000 or more $1,000 per day with MaxWeb affiliate marketing. So let's go straight into it. For example, let's say I chose MetaFast supplement for diabetes and I get around $115 US per sale. Okay, now how it works. Let me show you exactly what I would do. So this is my 3-step model. The first one is, as you know, buying traffic, getting leads, the number one thing. So I would buy traffic on Google using Google pay-per-click. Why Google? In the next slide. Now the second step is sending people to a landing page. You know, everyone is talking about, ClickBank gurus talking about landing page, but what really matters is you have to understand your landing page is actually a pre-sale page. This is like a loop, all right? For example, I will give you an anecdote over here. I always show the example of dating with marketing. Why dating? Because let me give you a simple example. You are trying to make a sale, right? And sales is everything you do. If you're gonna date and ask the first person you met on day one, can we get married? Of course, there will be a big no, right? Same thing with affiliate marketing. You are trying to get some friction off, right? You're trying to get some loop between so that you easily can get like a butter on a bread the sale in at the end of the day, right? You want to get a sale, you want to get a conversion. So you have to remember, you have to have a pre-sale, which is basically a landing page or a website or a repertoire or a blog, whatever you want to call it, is the same thing. But you have to understand how to properly position your landing page, your pre-sale page. And most importantly is, I never see any gurus on ClickBank in any courses sharing this secret, which is basically, no one is talking about pre-selling 5 P's. There are 5 P's, right? But you have to pre-sell to make the sale at the end. Very important thing. And step 3, send people to the offer. Now, how to do this? What to do? First thing, when I work with someone one-on-one, personally, what I always make sure is, step 1, I always tell you, is you have to deep dive into avatar. Who is your market, your audience? Step 2, offer positioning, very important. How you position your offer. And of course, your offer cannot be crappy. It needs to be high quality offer that actually provide results for people who buy it, right? So very important thing, what offer you promote. Step 3 is hook generator. I'm showing you personally one-on-one how to generate hooks that convert. Step 4, crafting your story, emotional story ads, emotional copywriting story, right? Very, very important on the pre-sale point. And step 5, writing your perfect ad. For example, Google ad. That's how it works. Another thing is understand audiences, I'm not sure if you have ever heard about this, but you can see over here, we have how many? 5 aware or unaware audiences. You have totally unaware audiences, problem aware audiences, solution aware audiences, niche aware, and offer aware. Now, if you're looking to make quick money like this, I would go under offer aware. Why? Because those are people, for example, those are people who will stand in front of the shopping mall in Apple Store to buy new iPhone, right? Those are people who are already offer aware. They're already buyers of the iPhones. They already value iPhone. So they just cannot wait to spend another 1,000 euros, 2,000 euros on a new phone, right? You don't have to persuade them. You don't have to use any kind of NLP on them or hypnosis, whatever, right? You can just show them the product and they will buy. That's what it's called offer aware audience. Now, you have solution aware, and depend on what kind of audience, right? If you remember what I told you in previous videos, depend on what kind of audience you have in front of you. It will depend the message you want to put in front of the audience. Very important thing, because most people just miss this point, right? They're not taught from the gurus in the courses. They're not taught these kind of secrets that actually go into the work to make this happen, right? To make $100 or $1,000 days with affiliate marketing possible. Another thing, choose the offer that's already proven to work, right? You have to choose the offer where you know, this offer really works. People are getting paid, people are buying, they're happy, they are buying upsells. So of course you can make long-term income, and you don't have to keep swiping offers, making new accounts, all this stress that go into it, right? If you just do the work and have someone to guide you through step by step along the way, right? Now, another thing is search network. With Google Ads, we are only choosing search, right? We don't want to waste time and money, so we exclude display network and only go by search network. So basically keywords, right? So what to do next? If you stay until the end of this video, I'm sure I'm quite emotional about making this video. Why? Because I know if you're watching this video, you do want to change your life, right? You do want to make an additional 100 euros or 500 or 1,000 euros per day, right? But you don't know how. You don't know, or maybe you don't have confidence or faith or belief in yourself, and you don't know whom can I trust to actually go with it. As you know, there are many different things going on around this world, so money is not everything, but it helps you solve many problems, right? So if there are people out there looking for the pains and problems, for example, if I have a diabetes, if I have a cancer, if I have all these horrible diseases, I'm looking for the solution. And if you are the one who can help me to get the solution or to my problem, of course, I'm happily willing to pay you thousands of dollars every single day if you can help me to ease my life, to ease my pain, and make my life better, right? So if you're watching this video, right, and if you want to get results with affiliate marketing, not buying courses and watching videos and going through all this to these speed bumps along the way and having no one to help you and all this stress, I understand. I've been there before. So that's why I'm not selling courses. What I'm telling you in this video is this: you need to have someone to guide you through step by step along the way, right? To help you, to show the ropes, you can avoid all the speed bumps, problems, stress, and everything along the way. So if you want to get results, then what you can do next is subscribe to my channel, and below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts where you can reach out to me personally one-on-one, ask me any questions, but most importantly, if you're serious about online marketing, about affiliate marketing, and if you have at least $500 to $4,000 or $3,000 on the side, and you really want to change your life, I'm talking about making $5,000 or $15,000 per month extra in profit, then what you can do next is click the link below this video, connect with me, and let's get started.